What's up, guys? This video is about Parque Arví, a nature preserve consisting of nearly 40,000 acres, focused on environmental and cultural preservation and education. The website has a lot of information, but the size of the property and the offerings were a bit overwhelming for me. So in this video, I'll run you through my simple day excursion with the purchased 2-hour guided tour. It'll take you about an hour to reach Parque Arví using public transport, which is my recommended means of travel. So first, take the metro train northbound. Then take the cable car connection on line K towards Santo Domingo. From Santo Domingo cable car station, take line L cable cars towards Arví. The final cable car ride of about 20 minutes will spit you out directly at Parque Arví. The first thing you'll see are a big glob of tents for shops. There's tons of jewelry and other artisanal items, along with ready-made food, coffee, and pastries. In this same area, you'll see a little stand where you can ask for information and purchase a spot for guided tours, which for a foreigner costs about 10 USD. More on this in a moment. Further in and down the pathway is the Centro, which was unfortunately closed when I went, along with the restaurant, but there were a few additional artisanal craft stands and exhibits. This is also where you see the sign regarding safety in the area. There have been reports of robberies here, and it is really easy to get lost in the massive park. You can hike on your own. Info and maps are readily available, but I opted to go the super safe route and go on a guided tour, which was about 2 hours and not that strenuous at all. Also, the benefit of doing this is that he talked us through the flora and fauna.
Esas son las semillas. Cuando maduran, liberan las esporas, entonces cada...
There was a tiny canopy outlook along the way. Back down the outlook to a stop at the garden where we could smell sample the fresh herbs, my favorite being the citron or lemon verbena. And we spotted a tiny frog hiding in a cabbage. I thought this Dracula flower was pretty neat, which we saw a big poster for around the ticket counter. The last leg of the trip, we went to relax in an open field area that is typically used for picnicking. In conclusion, this is a beautiful nature preserve and is worth the trip with the right precautions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks! Ta-ta!